What's good, YouTube? Andre Reyes back with another video. And I know, bro, I just want to thank, before I even start, all the subscribers who stayed subscribed. And I kept getting new subscribers, talking to new people, but I do miss you guys, man. I miss giving hair transplant updates. I miss helping people out, talking with people. After the 6 months, things haven't really changed. So for me, I just was waiting for a change or waiting for a haircut. And another shout out to the people who, my subscribers who hit me up like, bro, if you were in Texas or if you were in Florida or if you were, you know what I'm saying, I can get you right, get you a cut. Because these Wisconsin barbers, it's like I had people flake out. They're supposed to come to my house. I've been there and they double book, and it's just been all kind of problems. We are still on the journey. I'm not exactly sure where we are. We might be at the 10.5 month or the 9.5 month. I'll put it in the description or as the title of the video, but I'm still happy. Just a quick update. I traveled to Amsterdam, I traveled to Japan, back to Florida, all these different places. And I wanted to post the videos, but if you followed me, my laptop broke. My girl's in town from Austria, so I can use her laptop to edit. Nothing's really changing my hair, man. I cut it down super low just to see how bad it would be. And it's kind of light in here and in here still. I don't know if that's gonna grow in or if that's something I'm gonna have to deal with. But I mean, the front of the hairline is strong. There's another critique. I would say I had a lot of hair here, but they used grafts to fill in that part too, when I feel like they could have used that to fill in my crown or fill in other light spots or make some more spots dense. Another thing is they took a lot from my donor area. I'll show you guys that in a second. And I feel like I couldn't go back for a second hair transplant. So I'm just gonna have to deal with what I got. If you are subscribed, stay subscribed, because I am gonna get on Finasteride. That's something, when I cut my hair low, I'm like, damn, am I still balding or is it not grown in yet? Will that density come in the later months? Yeah, so I'm gonna get on Finasteride. I'm gonna try it, but if it's gonna mess with the thing you guys know, if you guys seen other people in their hair transplant journeys, that it's supposed to mess with on a small percentage of people, I'm not taking it, bro. I have this for, you know, as long as I can have it. I'm 31 now, so if I go to 40 with hair, then that's fine. And those side effects from Finasteride, I just don't think it's worth it. I know I see a lot of people in the later months where I'm at start getting on Minoxidil, and all their hair starts falling apart or falling out. And I know it does come back thicker, but I'm not going through that process, bro. And I don't feel like taking that shit constantly. So my plan with Finasteride, I know I've said it a few times, is I'm gonna get the 1 milligram, I think, or 2 milligram, whatever it is. And I'm gonna get a pill cutter and just cut them in the fourths. I cut them in half. Take a half every other day, or maybe take a quarter every day. I'm not gonna take the full amount. Wifey's here. If she came out and, you know what I'm saying, say a couple words, maybe she will. I know a lot of people went crazy on that, I think it was 4 or 5 months when she showed up. Tell the people how my hair looks.
Perfect.
Hold on, I got a question. No, you ain't running away that quick. So, did you care that my hairline was bad when we first met? Now listen, to all my fellas out there with a bad hairline, when I met her, I of course had a hat on. I don't think you've seen my hair for a while. But what did you think before, and do you think it looks better now?
I honestly didn't really care about that. It just, everything else was just perfect, obviously. The only bad thing about that is he constantly kept talking about it. Oh my God, my hair, this and that. He was way too worried, and I told him so many times, I don't care about that.
She told me to cut it bald one time.
Yeah,
She said she didn't
cut
care.
it bald, like, who
Listen,
cares?
fellas, okay, she's done. She's giving you the PC answer. Listen, these women love us, bro. So they're gonna say things to kind of boost your confidence, but at the end of the day, sometimes you gotta do it for yourself. Now, answer the last question. Honestly, does it look better now than when you met me?
Yeah, it does. And you know why? because I can tell from you that you're just way happier now. And that makes me happy. So
yeah, it'll boost your confidence, and then that probably rubs off on people. I mean, regardless if she said for me to keep my hair or to cut my hair bald, man, I was 30 when I got it done. For me, I don't want to look 40 or 50 when I'm that young. You only live once, so I decided to get it done, and I'm obviously happy with the results so far. Yeah, life's great, man. I'll try to make these Amsterdam and Japan videos as well. There's a lot of good content in there. But that's all I really have. I don't want to keep you for too long. I'm going to be back consistent. So I'll see you guys. Hold me to my word. If you're on your hair transplant journey, good luck. If you're thinking about getting one, go to my previous videos. I try to give you as much information as possible. And of course, if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'm out, man. I'll see you guys at my whatever the next month video is. Peace.